If you are beginning to think that you have to do something weird or live some strange way or take this or do that or eat upside down with one hand tied behind your back, it's just a bunch of crazy nonsense. Hi there, welcome to Evolving. So for those of you who may be getting ready for the upcoming Bodyslims session, I have made it my mission to at least share with those of you interested in that it is legit. I'm not paid, this is not sponsored. I am just a woman over 50 who struggled for years and years to lose weight and keep that weight off and change my body shape back to a more lean Anne. I had visited doctors, I had tried diet programs, I had tried meal programs, I had tried so many things, and I know what it feels like to be desperate for a solution and to feel like there was no solution. I felt like I was aging very quickly. I just could not find anything until I found this program. I'm here to tell you that if you do what Jared says when he says to do it, you will be amazed with your transformation. I was able to lose 30 pounds by practicing the good practices that he teaches. You eat your own food, you exercise 1 hour a day, either a walk or you can ride a bicycle. I ride my recumbent bicycle. When you start, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be hard, but every day it's going to get easier. And over time, you're going to feel so much healthier. And I think that for us as women over 50, you forget what it was like to feel youthful, to have that vitality, to be able to walk upstairs without getting out of breath. Just the other day at work, I ran up the stairs and I thought, God, I can't believe I can do that. I used to get to the top of the stairs and pant, and I think we forget that. Whether it's how our skin looks, how our hair looks, how our voice sounds, how our body feels, how our body looks, how we present ourselves. This is why I'm on YouTube. If you haven't had a moment to subscribe and look at some of the content here, it is here for women over 50 to find yourself again, to overcome struggles that might contribute to the feeling of losing yourself or losing hope in believing in yourself and believing that you can feel your best self again. I know that when I was having trouble losing weight, I truly felt like I was never going to get around this problem of weight gain. I would lose weight and then I would gain weight. This went on for 10 years. I would really work hard to lose the weight, and I would do so many things to try and make that happen, from buying meal plans to going on different diet programs, and nothing ever worked. I would lose weight, but my body shape wouldn't change. Bodyslims was really the only thing I've ever done that worked. You didn't have to do weird things. You didn't have to eat weird food. You didn't have to starve yourself. It's a completely sensible program. If you are beginning to think that you have to do something weird or live some strange way, take this or do that, or eat upside down with one hand tied behind your back, it's just a bunch of crazy nonsense. You do not have to do a bunch of strange things. Bottom line, getting rid of some bad habits, creating some good new habits, and it is 100% sustainable. You buy your own groceries, you cook your own food, and I just think in today's society, everything is so rushed. Everything is so full. Our plates are full of activity and demands, and that means we have less time to push ourselves to do what is really healthiest for us. Convenience food, all of those things, we drive through, we order food, we DoorDash food, we this, we that. Just slow down, plan out things a little bit more, take the time, buy the groceries. If you don't have my meal planner list, you can click the button below and go to AnneEvolving.com, sign up for email, and I'll send you out a weekly meal planner that I used. I just decided to put it on paper for in case it was helpful to other people. This is the first meal planner that I've created because I think it would help. It helped me. You can mix up your dinners and do certain meals every week to give yourself some variety. But when I was on the program, I did kind of a variety of this. You still need to weigh your foods. You still need to purchase your scale for the kitchen. I hope this is helpful. I really want to inspire you to believe in yourself. Again, reading about it, I hope this is helpful. I know everyone has various solutions, but if you're interested in Bodyslims, and it does work, and it is simple, it's not easy. It's not going to be simple to diet. It's not easy to stop, putting food in your mouth and breaking a habit that is over 50 years old. You did not get to the shape and the weight that you are in 70 days, but in 70 days, you are going to transform yourself if you do this. If you can say, I'm going to do this for 70 days, I'm going to do everything he says, I'm going to dive into this, you will see a change and it will change your life. If you have any questions, just pop them below. I'm happy to answer them. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.